If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then don't forget to watch this honest Hostinger review. In this Hostinger detailed review, I will tell you the cons and pros why or why not use Hostinger as a primary hosting company. And in this review, along with this, I will also reveal a special discount link through which you can save as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So for this, make sure to click on the link in the description. There is exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video through which you can claim as much as up to 95% discount along with two of the finest coupon codes which are also being mentioned in the description of this video. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started with this amazing review. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landing to over here. Okay, I'm going to tell you a few of the reasons why I got inspiration to buy my hosting from Hostinger and why I'm, let's start from the reasons. Okay, as a newbie, as a beginner, the first thing, which got my trust was their 30 days money back guarantee. Even as a new user or as a first time user, you always have pre-questions and you are always not sure if this is the hosting I am looking for or not. So Hostinger has covered this with their dedicated 30 days money back guarantee survey, which is a very good thing. You're given 30 days money back guarantee, no questions asked. So I'm sure that for any reasons I'm being covered with this. So yeah, this is a reason why I opted for Hostinger is the 30 days money back guarantee. Now Hostinger also come with Hostinger Horizon. Now this is an exclusive amazing feature introduced by Hostinger, not by any other company, where you turn your idea into a website. You just have to write it and their AI function or team is going to automatically make it as a website. You can see how they are writing it and the website is being changed as per your demand. You do not need any code, live in one click, free to try. There are also other websites as well. You can create a drag to drop website builder. Hostinger also has WordPress without the complexity. It builds a WordPress website. And even my own blog is WordPress, so for WordPress as well, Hostinger supports it. And Hostinger also has a migrate to Hostinger service. So in case if we are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger is going to manage all of it through their dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So either you have one website or 100 website, they are going to manage it, and that too free of cost. So this is another thing which I like or which inspired me. Now coming around on the reviews, let's see what the reviews are saying regarding Hostinger. So let's actually check the real reviews on what people are saying. So if you look around on the review, for the people saying been using Cody to improve, 5-star reviews, everything is excellent, 5-star. I have used Hostinger VPS service with hPanel and Docker. 5-star reviews. 5-star reviews over here. 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. 5-star, 5-star. So you can see almost all of the reviews are 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. So you can see yourself. I just look around. Ryoko was very patient with me. Okay, honestly, the major of the review are regarding the support. Everyone is really satisfied with the support. So look around this as well. And for all of the thing, they are being covered 30 days money back guarantee. These are some of the reviews regarding the people. And even you can take my word. Hostinger is one of the finest hosting company around. I've been using on my own blog from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why in this review I'm recommending it to buy it. Some more common websites including Forbes, CNET, everyone says that Hostinger is the best company to buy your hosting, and I can say that as well. So look around on 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. Even I am one of them as well. About 50 plus countries are being served, 20 years of experience, and 10 million plus websites are created with this. And scroll below, this is a Hostinger email support. These are some made with the Hostinger websites around. And now coming on the plans, you can get as much as up to 95% discount on any of the plans. But before I move on the plans, I want to go through you to the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel, and then we are going to discuss on how you can get as much as up to 95% discount. So stay with me. So now I'm into their Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. They have developed their own. I'm going to make myself small so guys have a clear idea. You can see I still have to claim a free email, claim your free marketing plan. I'm using the business plan from the second year onward. This is a business plan. I can see my websites and everything over here. I can see websites, I can see domains. In case if you want to see more services, that is also being mentioned. Marketplace, WordPress add-ons, everything is being mentioned over here. It's very easy. Anyone can use it. The Horizon, as I told you, is over here. I can get started with it, and you can see my agents over here. You can see the open flow over here. I can manage my WordPress websites as well. Let's say I'm going to manage one of the website. I'm just going to go to the dashboard over here. I can manage it. I can go to the dashboard, or I can look around for anything over here. So you can see all the tools are being available over here. I can see my website over here. I can see the file manager, databases, everything is over here. No malware is found, website is safe. I'm using the 23% of the hostinger total resources over here. I can see tips to improve. I can change my PHP version over here. Everything is being mentioned over here. File, performance, security, analysis, everything is very easy. All you need is just a few minutes to spend and you're gonna be master with it. And I've been using it, so yeah, I can go claim as well. So now moving back to the plans where you can save as much as up to 95% discount. So make sure to use either the link in the description which is mentioned along with this review, and use either of the coupon code to get the amazing discount. But before you select any plan, by default hosting will offer you 3 plans, and in some locations you may see the single plan as well. Otherwise, premium, business and cloud setup are their most famous plans. So the cloud setup plan is, I think, slightly expensive, and this is for those who have higher power requirements, or if you want to get a cloud hosting, only then opt for it. Otherwise, I think the premium or the business plan is very good. Equally, you have everything which you may need it, so you can start with any of the plan. But do your research with any of the plan before selecting anyone. I highly recommend you to look around for your requirements. Then simply select the choose plan with whatever plan you have decided. Once you select the choose plan, now you may see around you are being moved to another page. Again, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount. Now, at billing period, hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you ask me, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. And after this, you can claim your free domain by writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel, which I have shown you as well. So the free domain is only valid for the first year, so make sure over here. And after this, you may see around over here, there you can see around, if you click on the link in the description, then selecting write your business plan over here, then use the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video. There are various coupon codes. You can use any of the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video. The latest one I have attached in the description of this video. These are exclusively from Hostinger for my audience for this review. So make sure to use either of the coupon code. You can do your math over here. You are from 1025 to 172. So you can see the discount is more than almost 25% you are getting. So yeah, see how much you're getting. After this, simply select the continue over here, and then you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to create a new account at Hostinger, or synchronize with your Google account. After this, you can see your 30 days money back guarantee. Write your billing details over here, and once you write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Sorry for this. Is selecting payment method. Hostinger offer you various payment methods. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payment on. You can use any one as per your convenience, but if you ask me, my recommendation is whatever suits you the best. So don't take my word, use what's easy for you. After this, let's say I'm going with a credit card, selecting a credit card, writing my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. As soon as I submit payment, Hostinger team is going to send me an email with all of my hosting account details within few minutes. It doesn't take much time. And yeah, just for a revision, if you like this review and want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have described in this video on how you can claim your Hostinger hosting. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I came up with an idea of creating this review for my audience. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. Hostinger is no doubt one of the famous companies around the globe. So yeah, I look forward to welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. I hope you like this review. Thank you.